First option, eat them now. I gotta walk it off. I am Chef Tim, and this week on the island we are making freezable breakfast sandwiches with honey baked ham. Guys, this week's recipe is for all of you who love breakfast sandwiches but just don't have time in the morning to make them. We're going to show you how to make freezable breakfast sandwiches that you can make Sunday and then freeze and enjoy all week long. For this recipe, you will need 12 English muffins, 12 slices of your favorite cheese, 1 pound of honey baked ham, some butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 12 eggs, and salt and pepper. Okay, let's make some breakfast sandwiches. So, first things first, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Once you get that done, let's prep our eggs. Grab a medium-sized mixing bowl, take your 12 eggs and go ahead and break them into the mixing bowl. Add your 2 tablespoons of milk, your salt and your pepper, and beat those together. Once you have those nicely combined, you're gonna dump them into a well-buttered baking dish. Once you have them in the baking dish, go ahead and take that dish and slide it into your oven and bake for 18 to 22 minutes, being very, very careful not to overcook your eggs. This is very important. You're gonna wanna cook your eggs just perfectly because you're gonna be reheating these over the course of the week. So, eggs are out of the oven. I'm gonna give these a couple minutes to cool off so I don't burn myself, and then I'm gonna cut these into 12 equal squares. After that, it's as simple as building some breakfast sandwiches. So, cut your English muffins in half, top each one with a square of the egg mixture, a couple pieces of the honey baked ham, a piece of cheese of your choice. I like sharp cheddar for these. And then you're gonna top that with the other piece of the English muffin, and then we're gonna wrap them each individually for the freezer. Our sandwiches are done. So you've got 2 options now. First option, enjoy them now. Totally acceptable. If you want to do that, preheat your oven at 350 degrees and bake them for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese gets nice and melted. Or option number 2, and the one that we're gonna follow, we're gonna freeze these and save these for later. That way we can enjoy them all week. If you want to take that route, you're gonna individually wrap each and every one of these with either plastic wrap, tin foil, or wax paper, and then once you get them all wrapped up, throw them all into a freezer safe bag and throw them in your freezer. They'll last for about 30 days. If that's the route you're taking, reheating's easy. All you do when you get up in the morning, reach into your freezer, throw it in your oven or your microwave, reheat it, and enjoy. Whether you're rushing out the door to work, trying to get the kids to school, or you're just not a morning person, this recipe is perfect for you. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time.